I keep recommending Hostinger Website Builder, but time flies and some builders get stuck in the past, while others keep on improving. So what about Hostinger? To answer that and everything you need to know about this website builder, I'm here with a fresh Hostinger Review 2026. Hostinger has grown massively in both features and user base, but when it comes to pricing, not so much. Despite its success, it's still one of the most affordable website builders out there. There are two main plans, Premium and Business. Just a quick heads up, the Hostinger pricing you see here includes my Hostinger coupon code, which you can grab from the description. The premium plan is perfectly fine if you only need one non-e-commerce website. It gives you all the essentials, including a free domain for the first year, an SSL certificate, decent storage, and access to the basic AI website builder to get a clean, modern site online quickly. If you're just starting out, this plan covers what most small blogs, portfolios, and simple websites need, and you can always upgrade later. I personally use the business plan, and for good reason. First of all, because I run more than one website. Beyond that, business includes e-commerce functionality, so you can sell online without paying extra transaction fees. It also unlocks the full AI toolkit, including the AI writer, image generator, SEO assistant, and more, which I'll cover later in the review. And considering the price difference is minimal compared to the premium plan, the business option ends up being the better overall value. One important thing to keep in mind is renewals and subscription length. To get the best deal, scan the QR code or click the link in the description and go for the 48-month plan. This gives you the best value period, where you prepay for 4 years, get a few free months, and lock in a very low monthly rate. Once that initial term ends, the plan renews at a higher rate. That's normal across the industry, but many providers don't even offer a 4-year option, meaning renewals happen sooner and usually at a higher overall price. Alright, I want to show you something, the Hostinger roadmap, and just how much Hostinger keeps adding over time. Take a look at all of these changes they've made to their website builder. And all of this is from just the last couple of years, and there's even more coming. Most of the upcoming updates are focused on e-commerce, which is honestly a good thing because that's an area that could use some improvements. Features like a free shipping progress bar, shipping labels, and filters for customer pages are on the way. I like that there's clear visibility into what has already changed and what's coming next. So bonus points to Hostinger for that. All right, now it's time to review the website building process itself. The Hostinger AI website builder is one of the fastest ways to get a starter site online. I used to say how amazing it was that there was finally a true no-code website builder available. But Hostinger basically said, I can do one better, and gave us a fully AI-powered builder. You simply type in a short prompt about what your site is about, the style you want, and maybe the pages you need, and the builder generates a complete layout in seconds. It's well organized and gives you a solid starting point, so you can customize right away. For anyone who wants to skip the blank page stress, this tool makes that first step priceless. Hostinger also offers an AI builder for WordPress, so whether you want the simplicity of their own website builder or the flexibility of WordPress, you still get an AI-assisted setup. As far as I know, Hostinger is one of the only providers offering AI tools on both platforms, their in-house builder and WordPress. It's a small detail, but a huge advantage if you're not sure which direction you want to take or if you plan to switch later. Of course, you don't have to use the AI builder. Hostinger also gives you a full library of over 150 templates you can start from, and honestly, both routes come with their own pros and cons. Templates are great if you want something polished right away. The designs are professionally structured and look clean out of the box. The downside is that templates can feel a bit set in stone. You're shaping your site around an existing layout rather than having something created specifically for your idea. Meanwhile, the AI builder gives you a fresh design based on your prompt. It's faster if you want something unique from the start, but the initial layout might need more refining since it's generated on the fly. But you can actually combine both approaches because Hostinger also offers templates that support AI prompts. That means you can pick a design you like and still use AI to generate page content and images. Once your site is created, whether through AI or a template, you jump into Hostinger's editor and everything stays very beginner friendly. It all works through simple drag and drop controls and blocks. You can move sections, adjust spacing, swap images, or edit text without ever touching code. No prior experience is needed at all. If you can drag something with a mouse, you can build a site here. Hostinger keeps the editor intentionally streamlined. Instead of overwhelming you with dozens of widgets, it uses just 14 core elements. That might sound limited at first, but these cover pretty much everything you need, including text, images, buttons, galleries, forms, maps, and videos. Basically, all the essentials that make up 99% of modern websites. Another reason why hosting a website builder is so beginner-friendly is the AI tools. Just a quick reminder, all of these are available only on the business plan, but honestly, this plan is still cheaper than most other website builders' entry plans, especially when you use my discount link in the description. These tools are also the main reason I don't use WordPress for my simpler projects anymore. Hosting your WordPress can match or even surpass this functionality, but only after installing multiple plugins and hoping everything stays compatible. Hostinger's website builder gives it to you right away, fully integrated. The first tool I want to talk about is the AI Writer. It generates page content based on a short description of what you want, whether it's a hero section or an about page. It fills in the text quickly and gives you something professional that you can then edit and make your own. For blogs, there's a separate AI writing tool, fittingly called the AI Blog Generator. It can draft entire articles based on your prompt. It won't replace your voice, but it does give you a strong starting point or helps fill a site if you need blog content, mainly for search engine optimization. Speaking of SEO, there's also an AI SEO assistant. It helps optimize your pages by suggesting keywords and improving your on-page structure. It takes about a minute to set up basic SEO. Sign me up. Honestly, this is amazing for beginners who don't even know how SEO works, and it still saves a ton of time for everyone else. Hostinger also includes an AI image generator, which is great when you need visuals that match your site's style. Instead of digging through stock photo libraries, you just describe what you want and the builder creates a custom image for you. The same goes for the AI logo maker, which is perfect if you don't have branding yet. It won't replace a full design agency, but it does give you clean, usable logos in just a few clicks. If you're running a store, the AI product description generator is going to save you a lot of time. You enter a few details about the item and it produces a polished, conversion-ready product description. And if you ever feel stuck or can't find a specific tool, you can always ask the built-in AI assistant, Cody. This is honestly one of the best chatbots I've used. It can answer just about anything related to your website and it understands natural language. So you can just chat with it like you would with a friend. Overall, these AI tools deliver a level of convenience that I've never really been able to replicate in WordPress without turning the entire setup into a plugin puzzle. Next in this Hostinger Review 2026, let's take a look at the e-commerce side. As you might have noticed when we checked out Hostinger's roadmap, this is an area they've been focusing on heavily lately, and it shows. The goal here is, once again, to stay as beginner-friendly as possible. Despite that, it's surprisingly capable for a builder that isn't trying to compete with enterprise-level platforms. You can add products, manage categories, track orders, set up shipping, run discounts, and connect payment gateways without touching any code. One of the biggest upgrades this year is a jump to 1,000 product limit. So for about 99% of online stores, this is no longer even a limitation. Hostinger also includes built-in email marketing, letting you send newsletters and promotional campaigns to customers directly from the same dashboard. No extra integrations or add-ons required. Now, to be fair, Hostinger still isn't the top choice for massive e-commerce operations. If you're running a high-volume store with complex inventory systems, advanced automations, or multi-warehouse logistics, you're probably better off with a specialized platform. But for small to medium-sized stores, Hostinger is arguably the best website builder right now thanks to all these recent improvements. It's simple, it's affordable, it offers 0% transaction fees, and it continues to improve at a really impressive pace. Taking everything into consideration that I've covered in this Hostinger website builder review, it's not just my top website builder recommendation. The gap is actually growing, and other providers really need to step up. Hostinger delivers the best AI website builder experience, beginner-friendly controls, and constant improvements, all at a very low price. To get at the lowest price possible, use my Hostinger coupon code from the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.